So we are not looking something like bachelor or master degrees, we just simply want to learn Excel. So for example, Excel for beginners, if you click on this course, welcome back guys, you click on the thumbnail, you know we're going to be talking about Microsoft Excel today. I will show you how you can make money online with it and where you can gain all the skills you need absolutely free, even if you are a total beginner. So there are several ways how you can make money online by using Microsoft Excel. Now, if you don't have much of experience with it, maybe you don't have any experience with it, but you would still like to give it a go, let's look first where you can learn Microsoft Excel absolutely free. And one of those sites are called edx.org, and if you then type for Excel, you will see all sorts of courses you can enroll. So we are not looking something like bachelor or master degrees, we just simply want to learn Excel. So for example, Excel for beginners, if you click on this course, you see it's absolutely free. You can upgrade to get some optional upgrades, but that's not necessarily. It will take you about 4 weeks if you spend 3 to 5 hours per week. Again, it's self-paced, so you can go faster and complete this course much faster. So all you need to do is click on enroll and get started. So on the bottom here, you can read what you will learn more, who is the instructor of this course, and so on. So you can see it's free if you don't like for him to go and check what you've been doing. So if you just want to learn, it's absolutely free. Alternatively, if you simply search on YouTube, you can see you can get up to 5 hours of Word courses showing you how to use Microsoft Excel, and again, as you know, it's all for free. Okay, so you have spent some time, you have practiced, you feel like you could get started. Where do you find the jobs? So there are different options. Let's look on some of them. So number one, you can become a freelancer and start selling your services on sites like Fiverr.com, Upwork.com or peopleperhour.com. So if we come on Fiverr.com, you can see the packages starting from as small as $5, $10, $15, and so on. So obviously your buyer will contact you, and then depending on the amount of the job, you agree for the price. So as I scroll through, you can see that it's not just data entry. If we have a look on Upwork, again, you can see how many of reviews these sellers got. So they are doing things like data entry. You can also become something like virtual assistant. You can offer someone to do bookkeeping and all sorts of things that can be done with Microsoft Excel. Now, if that's something that you not really are interested, you don't want to become freelancer, there's a way how you can make money with Excel passively, and that's by creating a template. So you can create templates for things like budget, like monthly reports, any sort of bookkeeping reports, anything that can be done as a template on the Excel invoices, for example, it can be then sold. And if we come to the sites like Etsy.com and search for Excel templates, again, you can see, for example, this annual budget spreadsheet Excel budget template cost £25. That's just about $30. And then if you click on it, you can see this seller got 2,000 reviews and over 25,000 of sales. So if you can do the math, how much he have made money just by simply selling the template. Okay, so if you scroll down, you can see that is just digital download. Okay, so you can see the people reviews, they love the template, they like how they can customize it, so you can go through it and see how it look like. Okay, so that's just a simple template you can create on Excel once you have gained enough skills, and then sell it on Etsy. So you can do different styles, different designs, and create several listings. Register on Etsy is absolutely free, so you don't risk with anything. Again, you only need to invest some of your time. So if you click on this seller, you can see that all it sells is budget printables and spreadsheets. Okay, so there are all sorts of budget templates you can buy. You can see how many people already holding these templates in their budget. Again, this might be a little bit seasonal, like in UK we need to do the annual budget. Our tax year runs from April to April, so there will be always maybe some time when this will gonna be selling a bit more and other times maybe a bit less. However, you can see now it's pretty much on the peak, and there are different prices, so you can create some templates and sell them a bit lower. You can create some budget templates and pack them into like packs. Maybe there will be several options what to choose from within that one of your listing, and you know you can only risk in hand with your time. You don't have to invest any money, and you can set it up as a passive income. Alternatively to Etsy.com, you can also sell templates on marketplace called envato.com as well. Again, it's free to register and just create your product, upload your product images, your listing, and start selling and set up your passive income. If you prefer make your earnings more traditionally day-to-day job, you can always search for job. So if I come to ukindeed.com, I'm based in the UK, I can see how many data entry jobs are available, and many of them are just simple entry level. You don't need a lot of experience. You don't have to be like guru in Microsoft Excel. You simply need to know how the Excel works, be able to work with it, okay? And you can find a job. There are plenty of jobs to choose from, so you can find them on sites like indeed.com. And again, you can search for something like virtual assistant or bookkeeping jobs. It doesn't have to be simple as data entry. Excel can be used in all sorts of things, even like digital marketing and planning ahead of the budgets for ad campaigns, anything like that. So just type any keywords related to Microsoft Excel. You can also select and type as a skill as Microsoft Excel and see all the jobs that will require this skill that you could potentially apply for. Last but not least, when you reach the point where you feel confident with your Microsoft Excel skills, I would highly recommend for you to creating a course. It's another great passive income. And then you can upload your course and sell it on sites such as Udemy or Skillshare. So if we search for Excel course on Udemy, you see there are loads of Excel courses, and you can see how many reviews these courses have. And of course, you know that not everybody will leave the review, so these courses been sold even more. There are plenty of them, okay? So once you have the skills, you can always create a course, upload it on Udemy or upload it on Skillshare. Again, you don't have to pay for that, and you only pay the fees when you actually sell your course. So these are two great options how you can make even more money online by using Microsoft Excel. So if you find today's video helpful, give it a thumbs up, do subscribe for more videos like this. If you have new video requests, please let me know by typing them down below in the comment. I would love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching. Now go ahead and watch this video as a next one, and I will see you there.